Yeah.
Follow me.
Okay. Lead the way.
As you begin the new school year, I'd like each of you to remember the proverb, if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. When applied to student life, this means...
The principal continues with the speech. Oh, thank goodness. That was getting really boring.
Hey,
What? The student behind you is trying to get your attention.
we came to school with Yukari this morning, right?
Yeah. That's right. We together.
I saw you two walking together.
Yeah, that's right. Better wag off.
Hey, I have a question.
What?
Do you know if she has a boyfriend?
Oh, she does. She does. You better stay away. She's
Man, I
mine.
knew it.
Yeah.
I mean, why wouldn't she?
Yeah, she's mine.
Wait, how well do you know her?
I hear talking. I believe it's someone in Miss Toriumi's class.
Yeah, sit back.
Be quiet. You're going to get me in trouble.
Ah, shut it. You hear lots of people talking. See, it's not me. Yelling at all the other people. Besides, we were whispering. But yeah, you better stay away. What's like this guy? Sup?
How's it going?
Good? What do you want? Who are you?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm Junpei Iori. Nice to meet you.
Ah, nice to meet you. Junpei.
Transferred here when I was in 8th grade. I
Hmm,
know how tough it is being the new kid.
interesting.
So I wanted to say, hey, see what a nice guy I am?
Yep. I think you're gonna be my favorite. Huh?
Hey, it's Yucatan.
Oh, hi, Yukari.
I didn't think we'd be in the same class again.
At it again, huh? I swear you'll talk to anyone if they'll listen. Did you ever think you might be bothering someone?
What? But I was just being friendly.
If you say so. Anyway, it looks like we're in the same homeroom.
It must be fate.
Fate? You're right. Still, I'm a little surprised.
It is fate. You can't deny it.
Hello? Are you forgetting that I'm in this class too? By the way, I heard you two came to school together this morning. What's up with that? Come on, give me the dirt.
Oh, yeah, she tried to kiss me. Oh, yeah. That's right.
What are you talking about? We live in the same dorm. There's nothing going on, okay?
Yeah, there is. You're freaking lying. She's lying, man.
Why are people even talking about it? Now you have me worried.
You tried to kiss me. You didn't with your gun, but, you know,
Hey,
it's the same.
you didn't say anything to anyone about you know what, did you?
You know what?
Don't tell me you forgot already. Seriously, don't say anything about last night, alright?
Oh, that's great.
What?
Last night?
Yeah, that's right, that's right. You hardwired.
Wait a minute. Don't get the wrong idea.
No, he has the right idea. He has the total right idea.
Listen! I just met him yesterday, and there's absolutely nothing between us.
Oh, that crushed me, Yukari. But I'm not. Oh, that. I don't know if you heard that or not, but that was my cuckoo clock going off. Yeah, no. Yeah, there's something going on between us. Right when the moment you met me, it was love at first sight.
Jeez.
You know it. You know it.
I've gotta go. I've got something to take care of for the archery team. But you better not start any rumors.
Oh, I'll start it. I'll start it. Walk off.
Who cares? No one takes rumors seriously anyway.
Yeah,
She's so paranoid.
exactly.
It's your first day here and people are already talking about you.
Awesome.
Believe it or not, she's actually pretty popular. You the man.
Yeah, I'm the man. You know it.
This is gonna be a fun year. I can feel it.
Yep. Me too. You decide to go home with Junpei. Oh man, you see that teacher over there? Oh, don't go near her. She's gonna freaking kill you. She makes you get cake. Oh, what the heck is with that gray haired dude? Oh crap! Freaking jerk! Get away from him! Get away from him! They freaking... They take off their shots in the freaking dorm and compare how much hair they have on their chest. Bad. There's this sign-in sheet on the counter. So, unfortunately, I can't save because I don't have any... Oh, hi. I can't save. Can we go to the mall? Let's go see. I think we can. Oh, come on. That's bull. That's bull. Come here, where are you? Where are you? I'm talking to you. You will let me outside. You hear me? You really shouldn't go outside on your own at night. It's too dangerous. Anyway, you must be tired. You should get outside rest. I'm not tired. Oh, hi, Yukari. Oh, hi. What are you doing? Just looking around. Well, there isn't much to see. You're probably pretty tired, huh? You should go to bed early tonight. Why? I'm not tired. Why the heck? What's this? Oh. Wait. I'll go in. Aw. Let's go in. Get ourselves refreshed. Just wash my hands. And what are we feeling? You feel refreshed. Your condition has become great. Nice. What's that? I'm just looking around. Oh, oops. I didn't want to go there. Oops. Didn't want to go down there, up there. Wanted to go down here and get in my woo. Tickle that doorknob. Tickle it. Go back. Tickle that doorknob. Come on. Oh, he just freaking used the force on it. What the heck? There we go. What the heck?
I'm going out for a bit.
Confident looking student. Who the heck are you? Hmm?
Didn't you see the newspaper?
Oops, sorry, I was taking a drink of water. I know.
People who had no problems before are suddenly developing acute cases of apathy syndrome.
What the heck is
I've
apathy
seen it in
syndrome?
the news quite often lately.
They
say it's due to stress, but
it's some kind of disease.
Yeah, right. It has to be them.
Ooh, uh-oh.
Otherwise, it's not worth my time.
Who's them?
you have a one-track mind. Will you be okay on your own?
Yeah.
The chairman will be here for the next few days, but after that, I can...
Don't worry, I'm just getting a little practice.
Get your gray.
This isn't a game, Akihiko.
Oh, so his name is Akihiko. Weird name. Well, yet again, this is Japan, so you're gonna hear like Naruto and crap. What the? Oh, okay. I was about to say. Oh, they gossiping. Did you hear that? The Wilma? Something about a bathroom? What the? No! Not that one. I'm talking about this. I mean the store.